Epidemiological anthropology is the part of medical anthropology. Is a subdiscipline of medical anthropology. So it's a subfield, right, of medical anthropology. This I have already discussed in the session, right? Then coming to here, diseases, pattern, right, distribution, causes. What causes disease in a tribal population? In anthropology, we look into different type of tribes, different types of populations. So what causes that, and how we can control that, right? Sometimes diseases may be endemic to a particular geographical area, but sometimes it can be epidemic also. But mostly when we study in medical anthropology, we focus on endemic part of the endemism. Let's say Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, or let's say Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, wherever the tribes are there. What type of infectious and non-infectious disease that is common in that particular population? We try to understand that. Then you know that integrate biological part of it, biocultural, right? So biological aspect, let's say genetics becomes very important. Body physiology, that becomes very important, right? Then cultural, socio-cultural pattern, what type of rituals they have, what type of societal norms they follow, what type of food they eat, what type of behavior they have, what type of, the religion, even religion comes into that. Okay, what type of religion, right, they follow. All those things, dressing, food, all comes into cultural anthropology part. Then ecological, what we discussed in ecological anthropology. Environmental, right, plants, animals, the geography, the landscape, climate also becomes very, very important for study of diseases. You know that African population, like when you take Central Africa, equatorial climate, hot climate, humid climate, tropics, tropical climate, a lot of vector-borne diseases are there. Parasitic diseases are very common in human population. Now coming to here, social perspective. Like I mentioned previous session about drug abuse, right? Liquor. And I jokingly talked about handia, right? Handia, that is a liquor, desi liquor, right? Which you will find very commonly into those kind of tribal villages. They consume those alcohol, which is locally made and consumed. But now what is happening with westernization? Right? With westernization, what is happening now? That this wine, right? Beer, wine, all those things, Western world, they are now reaching to the villages, right? But mostly villages consume which type of the local liquor, right? Just print out. So that's what comes into that, right? So that liquor, because that is a low cost, sasta, cheaper, right? Tadi, in Kerala it is called todi. In Odia, there might be different name or maybe tadi only, right? Tadi may be the term, right? You know, Bihar, UP, North Indian belt, eastern part of the country. So you'll find this tadi. You know what is tadi? Is made from where? Date. You know date? That palm, date palm, which local people consume. So social behavior, it becomes very critical. And you know that because of more consumption of liquor, whether it is a desi liquor, desi daru or liquor, or let's say Angrezi, sharab, right? Those kind of thing there, right? So what is very important? It has a serious effect on health. It has a serious effect on health. Is it not that? Right? You will agree with this? All right. So this is where we try to understand. So this is what you can say here. When we look at here, so that is what you know that. One part is what? medical science. This is medical science. Correct? Second domain is the anthropology. Correct? Is it not that? In anthropology, we try to study every aspect from the human perspective. So, we are here, cross section, this part. What is called medical anthropology. This is what we are studying: health, disease, nutrition. And today is very important because I will be discussing certain theories. I'll be going to certain theories. Right? Is clear here? This is what comes here. And whatever I'm writing, please keep on writing that. PPT, if anything I'm writing on the PPT or the PPT, I will be giving you the PDF, which you can always go through that. All right, now look at here. Interdisciplinary nature. This also we know. Biocultural, ecological, everything linked with the disease, right? So you can see combines anthropology, epidemiology, the disease pattern, public health, very, very important. Healthcare, government policy, public health. Public health becomes very, very important, right? And now at the world level,